Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. This is day 2 in Coorg. Currently heading for breakfast. It's 9 a.m. I guess, I'm not sure. We'll have breakfast, drink some coffee, come back, then take our backpacks and head out. First thing, we need to go and get the bike. So we'll do that. For now, let's go for breakfast. Bro, look at this. So just took our breakfast. Let's see what do we have. This is our breakfast for today. Dosa, poha, chutney and some, I don't know, sabji. Yeah, sabji. Water. Sahas is getting his bread and butter. We'll eat this and I'll see you guys when we are heading out in the auto. We are here at Royal Brothers. Just test rode Yamaha FZ. Brakes were loose, so they went and they're tightening the brake, rear brake. We'll take the bike. We'll head towards Malali Falls. It's quite sunny. If you're in Coorg, contact them. Don't go to Zoom. They have Activa, Royal Enfield, Pepsi, Hornet. Yes. Chalo, we'll take the bike and head out. Took a bike, FZ. This is how it looks. I'll tell you the charges later. Currently we are heading to the petrol bunk to fuel up and then head to Malali Falls.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings a fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hand.
We just came from there, stopped here, and look at this view. Wow. Wow. We came from there, that road and this road. The elevation was really crazy. Oh my god. Look at that mountain peak. Clouds are covering it. Wow, so beautiful. Just no words. Wow. The roads are really amazing. I'm just missing my bike, but this works. This bike works. No words now. I don't know what to tell. Just look at this view. I really want to see this in the maps. I want to see the road in this map. Look at these roads. Just look at these. Wow. This is where we came from. Proper U-turns, proper guard roads. Really good. Chalo, we'll head out.
Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna
We are here at the temple. Just put our helmets and our shoes inside and parked our bike there. I'll just show you the view once. Look at this view. Wow. Such a beautiful view. All the vehicles are parked here. Chalo, we'll head in. This is the entrance. Devasthana, I don't know what that is, Dari. Okay, we are at Talakaveri, birth point of Kaveri river. Here it is. Let's go in. Kitna clear pani hai. Look at the water. Wow, origin of river Kaveri. Huh? No video? Okay. I'll record when we are outside. Not allowed to record. Went inside, we were not allowed to take videos. Did darshan. And wow, look at this. There is origin point, and this is the Kaveri river. It goes down and emerges out again at Bhagmandala, which is our next stop. We'll click some pictures, then head out. The view is also amazing from here. Well, I'll see you guys when we are heading out. So this is Talakaveri. Meet you at Bhagmandala. We're on our way to Bhagmandala. Look what we found. Look what we found. I don't know why he is here. I thought crabs were meant to be near beaches. Look at him. Two eyes popping out. Nice. Chalo, let's go. Now we are at Bhagmandala, Sri Bhagmandeshwara temple. This is the entrance. Need to put a helmet and shoes somewhere. Let's see. We are done here at Bhagmandala. Unfortunately, the temple was closed. It will reopen again at 3 p.m. Now it's 2 p.m. So I don't think we can wait 1 hour. We went in, we had the prasad, rice, sambar and paisam. I hope you know paisam. It was good, very good. So that was our lunch. Now we are headed to Nalknad Palace. We were headed to Nalknad Palace. Came from here. We were supposed to go there, but look what we found. Look at this beauty. Wow. Small lake with a tree in the center, and these trees, dense forest. Wow. We spent around more than half an hour here. Like, very beautiful place. We were just coming on this same road. Then we saw this board, Nalknad Palace. That's where we were headed, and just look at this road once. Look at this beautiful road. Wow. Oh my god. So beautiful. Wow. Let's just park our bikes, and then I'll see you guys. Park the bike there. This is the Nalknad Palace. Look at this, very old. Very old. I don't know how many years old this is, but looks really beautiful. Kitna purana hai re?
हो रे मंदिर वहाँ
हाँ, big face sculptures. Very beautiful. Let's go check out what's inside.
Wow, dude. Don't flash.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I don't. Okay. Let's see what's here. Oh my god. Whoa. What is this place? Very old structure, by the way. Very old. What? Bro, we can get lost easily here. I am scared. I'm really scared. Okay. Let's just go out. I don't want to be alone in here. घूम जा सकते हैं अंदर. देखा एक बार जा. Let's go out. ऊपर जाना. Okay. Which one? The stairs one?
Yeah, the stairs one.
Yeah, we went till there.
You can go up also.
We can go up. Huh? Okay, we'll come down. We'll go from there again.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. Oh, this is a bathing place. Bathing place. Breathing place, whatever you want to call it. Doors are really small. This is like a normal area, and this is the queen's room, and this is for her swing, it seems. These are the photos. It's her room, and this is Raja's Darbar. Nahi koi na. Where Raja used to sit. Here. Don't know what is this. This is King's bathing place. Oh. Pair idhar na. Go. ఇది ఎందుకు ఉంది?
అంకే బరబ
బయటకు కూడా. ఓకే.
అంకే
అట్లా కూడా పోవచ్చు కదా.
అలా నా బాధ అంకే.
ఓకే. बैग लग रहा. आ जाऊँ मैं?
हाँ बैग से पहले.
बैग नहीं बैग छोड़.
आ जा.
ये ले.
तेरा हाइट जितना ही चाहिए. तेरा हाइट जितना ही चाहिए. देख.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow. राजा के सिस्टर के लिए.
ओके.
अच्छा इसमें हुआ. ओके.
तो शादी करने के लिए इसे बना दिया.
ओके 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 ओके.
क्यों?
क्या मालूम?
क्यों क्या होता है? और
राजा 250 साल पहले मर गया.
250 साल पहले. राजा का नाम
राजा ಹೆಸರು दद्दावीरा राजा.
दद्दावीरा. ये मेन पैलेस है उनका?
ये छोटा पैलेस है, मतलब विजिट के लिए आते थे.
हाँ मेन पैलेस है, पता नहीं उनका. ओके. Wow. The person, another tourist, they were saying this was made for the Raja's sister's wedding. Here, the marriage was done here. Very old. Look at this. We are done here at Nalknad Palace. We were the last people here. The caretaker just shut, closed the doors and he left. This is where we went. Now next stop Chelavara Falls. See you all there. We have arrived at Chelavara waterfalls. This is where it is. This is the board. Same thing in Canada, and we need to walk up there. Path full of stones, big stones. Let's not sprain our foot today. I hope. Parked our bike here, carrying the helmets, wearing a backpack. Same with Sahas. Let's go. I'm not sure if the sound of the waterfalls is being recorded in the GoPro, but it's right next to us. I'll just show it to you when it's visible. There's a way here and here. We'll go here and check. Wow. Wow. Look at the waterfalls. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. So beautiful. Whoa. There's a path down there, but it's a bit risky. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. There was another way up that we saw. We'll go there and check if something is there, or if we can get closer to the water above. If you're planning to visit Coorg, just come here to Chelavara waterfalls. This is a hidden gem. Most tourists don't come here. Also, this is not like a priority place on their list. Right in between the forest. Very, very cool. We came from there. We went here, if you remember. Now we are heading up. Hey, oh my, look how steep it is. It's right there. Oh. Oh my God. I'll see you guys if we find something. After this small tiring trek, look where we are. Wow. Wow. The waterfall starts there and we are here. Wow. Literally wow. We are in the middle of a forest. Wow. Oh my God. Look where we are again. We'll spend some time and head out. I'll see you guys then. We are done here at Chelavara waterfalls. This is where we started, if you remember. We are back on our bike. Now next stop is Omkareshwara temple, which is in the city only, so not an issue. Also the temple is open from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. so we need to head there. Time kya ho raha?
6.
Time is 6 already. Let's try to reach by 7 and come back by 7:30. Oh my God. Rogo. Wow. Look what we came across.
Wow.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Temple has been cancelled. We are here for dinner in Domino's. ordered some pizzas. We'll eat that as dinner and head back to the room. That's the plan. Back to our room. Very tiring day, very fun day. The roads were all ghat roads. Did not even enter a main road kind of thing until we entered the Madikeri city. We rode around 170-180 kilometers. It was very fun. Back home now, back in the room. We are heading towards the reception side. I don't know, whatever you call the play area. Decided to play some table tennis. We'll do that, come back and sleep. That's it. Tomorrow there are 3 waterfalls in our plan. You'll see that in the next video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.